In this video, we're going to replace our ceiling fan. You have to do a lot of research online to try to figure out which one would be right for you. I did a lot of research and even tried to check out Lowe's and Home Depot. I ended up buying the new fan online, and low clearance means different things to different people. I had 11 3/4 inch clearance, but the slide out raises up since I have a flush floor. I also had reservations on how the fan attached to the ceiling, since I know the roof is essentially two pieces of Luan with styrofoam in the middle. I purchased a Hunter fan, and you will see the fan housing was quite a bit larger than the old one. The old fan was 40 inches, the new one 42, which means the fan blades on each side was 1 inch longer. The fan clearance for the blades was fine. The width of the fan housing was not a problem. The only problem which we might have is the actual height of the fan housing. Here is the original fan mounting bracket. Note that it has a safety feature preventing it from coming loose. The new fan uses a cradle design. There are two mounting screws that are attached to the metal hexagonal electrical box in the ceiling. Your new fan must use this mounting with a new bracket. Here we are assembling the new fan. It's got one blade on it, and then we can show you where the new fan is working. You can also see the rolling shutter in my video camera. We are going to shut down the music so you can watch the video as we bring the slide in to the travel position and see if we're going to not hit or hit the fan.
Slow.
Wow, we made it with about a 1/2 or 3/4 of an inch to spare. We've got the clearance. One final note, you'll see that there is a blue wire coming out of the new fan. That goes with your black wire and is connected together. The ceiling fan in a ALFA Leisure, since they all have basement air, is integral for the cooling and the heating of your coach. Since I did the work myself, the total cost was less than $80, and this was in May of 2017. When you look online for a low clearance fan, they give you no information on the fan housing size. At times, we didn't know whether or not this fan that I purchased would clear the slide out. I got lucky, and it did. It was going to be very close by my calculations. Thank you for joining us.